Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a great tip on how you'll be able to make money online with ease. This is through an application you've already had on your phone and you never thought you could just make money off it. So I'm going to throw light on whatever you're going to be able to do with this app, and trust me, you're just going to be marveled, you're going to be overwhelmed, you're going to be like, yo, I had this all this time and I never knew anything about it. So if you're new here, consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything. Stick around and watch throughout to the end. You can give the video a thumbs up so that it reaches a lot of people who will also be needing something you also need right now. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. So this app I want to share with you guys is called Opera News. Yes, you might be like, yo, Opera News? What is Opera News? Opera News is an app on your phone you've been using all this while. You've been using this app on your phone all the time, reading news and probably maybe browsing with its browser and all, but you didn't know you could just make money off it. So I think it's a strategy Opera actually has taken, because they make you publish an article, right? And when you publish the article, they are going to show ads on your article, and I think with that one they just give you some tip of whatever you published. And yeah, that is cool. I think that is win-win, because they are getting people publishing articles and they are getting news for people, and they are going to pay you, plus Google is going to pay them with their AdSense they have on their app, and they give you some incentives for whatever you produced. And I think that is nice, because a lot of you right here lately I've been worrying about getting money online and all, and I think this is an easy thing I think you guys should just capitalize on. So without further ado, I'm just going to dive into this video on my computer and then show you how you're going to be able to just sign up, do the necessary stuff you're supposed to do so that you just get this done with ease. And trust me, it's simple, no stressing. It's not like you just have to reach a number of subscribers or followers before you're going to be monetized or something. Just apply and then you are true to go, like you are true to just start making money the next day. So I'm going to go to my computer and then show you how you're going to be able to do this. Okay, so this is the website. You need to go on your laptop or on your phone and you're going to be able to just sign up and you are good to go. So I'm going to leave the link of this website in my description so that it will be very easy for you to just reach it. So first of all, what you have to do is you click either login or sign up, and then you continue with your Facebook account or Google. So I continue on with my Google and it's very easy. So let's say I'm just going to click on continue, and I'm going to use a different email, not the one I used, so that it doesn't just take you to my account. But afterwards I'm going to open my account so that you would see what I have in there. So I'm just going to click on another email, and you guys are going to see the steps and how you're going to see the forms that's going to come out. So this is how you're going to see. So you just put up, this is a picture of your email, and then this is my country, I'm in Ghana, and then the name I decided to choose, that is it. So okay, let's go and reconfirm, and we'll click for a username, category, whatever field you think you're going to be okay to just post stuffs from. Like let's say if you want to stick to entertainment, you can post entertainment stuff. It's like having a YouTube channel, you feel that is your niche, you can express yourself very well so that people can reach you easily, or people can like whatever content you produce to them. Yeah, then you just have to stick with maybe sports or entertainment, lifestyle, relationship and parenting. But there is one thing you need to know: when you are publishing stuff, you don't have to go to someone's website and then pick up content they've produced already and then you bring it up to your article and then you publish it. They are just going to reject that, so you just have that in mind. And afterwards you just put a picture here and then a biography, a little bit of yourself, and you just click on, let's say, so the next thing you need to have, okay, let me just put something there. I just want us to have something there. So let's go to the next page, and then you see, so I'm in Ghana, and yeah, I'm doing this video for most let's say Ghanaians. If you're in Nigeria, you can try it out. I think it's Ghana, Nigeria, India, Egypt, I guess, and yeah, some other countries. But if you check and your country is not in it, probably maybe they might roll it out later or something. So if you're in Ghana, this is what you have to do: your first name, your email and whatever, and then you put in your mobile money number, that is your phone number, and then you can put in your bank number. If you feel you don't want to get your payments through your mobile money number, you just put it there. So you put your mobile money account number here, your phone number here, your mobile money account number here, and then this is what you need to do. You need to confirm with either your ID card, your passport, or your TIN number. You get it? Okay, your TIN, I should say. That's tautology. And then you put a referral name. If someone referred you, like maybe me, I'm going to leave my link in the description, so you click on my link and then you just sign up with that. You get it? So you can just do that to other friends, and I think maybe there's revenue, or maybe they are going to give you a little bit of incentives, maybe if someone uses your referral link. So yeah, you guys should just click on my referral link so that I get some tips. You get it? So afterwards, yeah, you just hit on I agree and then you confirm. So that is all. And right now I'm just going to go to my main page. I signed up yesterday and we are going to see what I have published 2 articles so far, and I think it's cool. It's quite cool. I'm not really taking it very serious, but I think I have something I want to share with you guys so that you guys would see it's really paying. So I have 1 follower and I'm following 2 people and I've published 2 articles. So when we go to monetization, we're going to see you are monetized after you just sign up. You get it, and it takes just 24 hours to just get verified. And when you get verified, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your account being verified. Actually, when you open on your phone, you're going to see your account being verified, and yeah, but I'm not seeing it right here. So I think you're going to see your account being verified when you are using your phone. You see verified written at the right top corner of it, and yeah, so most often I think we use our phone doing this. And yeah, so let's go to the content library. So you see I have 92 clicks and then 28 clicks for the first one and the second article, and this is cool. You see I published it 8th and then yesterday 7th, so I have 3,000 impressions and then 1,700 impressions for this, and yeah, it's cool. So when people like your content too, they might share it and you might get external traffics too, and it's gonna help you. The more the clicks, the more you get paid. So that is how it is. So if you publish your stuffs here, you can choose to share it to groups or Facebook page, Twitter accounts, and or you can just flood it anywhere, but make sure you don't spam it's on people's page because they might get removed or something. So just do it perfectly and then you know how you're supposed to do it. And I'm gonna go to the home page and then show something to you guys, the amounts of money people had last month. So you can see these guys are those who got money from this Oprah News Hub in October, just October. So this guy had 4,000 CDs, 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. The least had about 1,800, and that is some cool money. That is, you're getting paid 1,800 in a month. Yo, you can live whatever life you feel like you want to live, like whatever life you feel like you want to live. If you really want to live a cool life, yeah, you can live a good life with this. So I think it's a cool thing you guys need to just capitalize on. I'm not gonna rant about it for long, or I'm just not gonna blow my own horns. You guys are seeing it for yourself. You can see the numbers here. They are not lying about anything. I'm not being paid or I've not screenshotted anything. You guys can see it, and I think it's a very cool idea, and you can just publish anything. So I'll just screen record my phone and then you guys will see how the interface looks like when you are using the phone. And yeah, I think it's very cool. So you guys should just capitalize on this thing. So let me just click on one of my articles and you guys will see how it looks like when you just publish it. So this is how it's going to look like on the phone. So I did this and yeah, it's quite cool. And I left a link of this to a YouTube channel. I actually created a video of whatever this lady was saying, and yeah, so when they watch it, you just tell them click here to watch the full video, and you can click on it and you might have a YouTube channel and you can just direct them to your YouTube channel to get some little bit of traffic from there, and it's a win-win. You're getting paid here, you're getting paid there too. So I think it's something you guys need to just capitalize on. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share it to anyone you think who needs money like you do and I do too, and yeah, this is going to be helpful to us. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. I'll record my phone so that you guys will see how it looks like when you have the account on your phone, and yeah, stick around. Okay, so first of all, you just have to go to your store like this and then you type in Oprah News like this and you install this one. Yeah, Oprah News, and then I'm gonna click on open and you guys are gonna see how it looks like. Okay, so when you just sign up and then you are done and you click on me right here at the right down corner, you see verified right there, verified account right here. Yeah, that is how it's going to look like when you are using your phone. That is when you are done signing up and all. So if you want to write an article, you just click on this red button here and it's going to open the next page where you have your stuffs right here, and then you click on create and you can just write your article right here. So how to sleep, and you just write your article. So this one has to be not less than 300 characters, I should say, and then yeah, I think not less than 300. So you just have to have something very catchy and cool right here, and then you put in your image. You can put in a thumbnail and a picture which maybe is gonna really explain whatever you are trying to send to people out there. You get it? So I think that is all you guys need to know. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave the link of this in my description so you don't have to miss anything. And yo, I'm gonna keep my referral link there, so you guys should just tap on it. Yeah, so if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and then share it to anyone you think is going to be helpful to them. Okay, I hope I made a bit of sense right here, and I hope you liked the video, everything I shared with you. And yo, if I have any idea on anything on how to make money online, yeah, I'm just gonna come at you guys and then just share with you. I'm not gonna have anything by myself. I'm not gonna be selfish about anything, trust me. I'm just gonna share with you transparently, and yeah, it's gonna be very cool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and then share to anyone you think is gonna be helpful to them, and stick around so that you don't miss anything. Subscribe to my channel whenever I post. Click on it because it's gonna be helpful to you. It's gonna help you build a good life for yourself, because I'm trying hard to build a good life for myself too. So I just don't want to have it on myself alone. I just want to share with you guys. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. Subscribe and then be part of the team, and then catch you in the next one.